In this video, we'll cover latch catch replacement for the Lippert pop-up roof system. To perform this procedure, you'll need a ratchet with an extension and also a 10mm socket. Remove the two 10mm hex bolts using your ratchet, being sure to handle it carefully once it's free of the pop-up to prevent it falling to the floor. To replace the latch catch, mount it to the pop-up using two 10mm hex bolts. Then tighten up those bolts using your ratchet. This will complete the latch catch replacement procedure for the Lippert pop-up roof system.